me about this.
Ooh, he was close to hitting that car. Anyway, yeah, he
probably hit the car, honestly.
No, I was watching it. He didn't, but he came very close.
It was like
that
was like an inch.
And then they're just trying to get in that spot. Oh my gosh. Someone, they must know their vehicle really well and the spacing they have, because, anyway. I don't get, well, you can't make that turn in. I don't get what the problem is with that. Ooh. Alright. Someone wasn't ready to stop.
Thanks to Marty.
Our traffic producer is Dan Frank, business news coordinator Andy Gersher, and managing editor Julie Mann. The BBB News Time 5:48.
There's only one, Bob Rohrman.
Hi, I'm Ryan Rohrman from Bob Rohrman's Arlington Acura. September is National Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and this month we are donating $50 for every new car sold to help kids diagnosed with cancer.
Get to Arlington Acura on Dundee Road in Palatine and save with 0% APR financing for 60 months and always get the maximum value of your trade-in. Plus, Arlington Acura is donating $50 for every new car sold to help kids diagnosed with cancer.
We can save you a whole bunch of money on a brand new Acura. Bob Rohrman's Arlington Acura in Palatine.
Okay, couldn't use your turn signal.
7 The Eagle. Rockford's home for classic rock is now available through Alexa on your Amazon Echo, Echo Dot, and Echo Show. Alexa, play 96.7 The Eagle.
Okay. Alright then. Ooh. Alright then. That's a close one. Okay, let's see this again. It's dark outside, and as you guys can see, this Lyft driver in front of me has absolutely no headlights. Very dangerous.
Classic rock. 97.1 FM. The Drive.
morning, 2971 radio check.
What is this person doing? Oh, they just... Oh, okay. I'm gonna mark that. Just because.
Just because. Is that a dash cam?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Ryan, you see Steve?
I'm not at base right now, Bill. Wow. Holy cow. Awesome. Illegal.
Connie to base, please. Yes, ma'am. Glen Crest boys basketball would like a 5:45 pickup, please, at Marquardt Middle School.
Wow.
Thank you.
No turn signal. That's my coworker right there. Now he's using the signal. Got somebody.
Today is Tuesday. I have no downtime until after my lay route. Would that be too late for me to come by so you can pull the tape?
If I could use your turn signal, that would be great. What is wrong with people? Well, silly driver. Hey, at least I got the turn arrow. That works. No worries. Nice move.
Address, please.
What are you doing? Okay then.
And anybody that says that is proving that they
Oh,
look.
wow. Holy cow.
Wow. And there's no cup.
No,
Okay.
of course not.
Nobody saw him do that. He should have been ticketed for
Yep.
crossing over the double, improper lane usage and speeding.
Yep.
But no, instead he gets away with it.
Mm-hmm.
And you get pulled over for having a tail light out and crossing over the solid white line.
Yep.
Come on.
Mm-hmm. Oh, all right then. That's what I got that from Vince.
Oh my. He did not have the right of way there. You did.
Yep.
Sorry, I just thought he was going to run right into you.
That's why I'm glad this truck has good brakes. What the heck are you doing? No turn signal. Beautiful.